Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, as you can see, the last deal of the day, which I have sent last Friday, almost reversed from the entry by 2.5 pips far away and went in total of 80 pips of profit. And unfortunately, not everyone have taken this signal. As you can see right here, actually, I have made a poll last Friday also asking everyone if they took this signal or not, and the majority actually didn't take it. Only I think how many? I think 51 took this trade. Meanwhile, other where is the number? Almost 200 people didn't take this trade. 155 people did not take this trade. And this is actually, guys, this is something we need to talk about. You don't really have to wait for the signal to be touched exactly on the same pip. I mean, if it reached the range of the buy area, I think it's not a bad idea to enter it already. You don't really need to waste this signal just because you want to save 2 or 3 pips more. Anyway, what happened has happened, and unfortunately, many of them didn't take the signal. But I will give a back tap for those 50 who actually have taken it. Anyway, today's deal of the day will be on pound GPY. That is, of course, for Monday. And as we can see, my friends, if we look at the daily chart right now, what we can notice here is actually that the market has indeed been respecting that level of a support right here at 179.936, meaning there was a strong rejection to break out from that level. And based on the daily chart, we are most likely we're looking for a continuation in the rise for the pound GPY for 2 reasons. Number one, if we look at the resistance trend line, we can notice clearly that the market has indeed made here a strong bullish breakout movement from that level of a resistance trend line. Number two, if we look at also the left side, we can see clearly that we had right here a broken level of a resistance as well. Right here, this was a resistance. It was also a resistance here in the past, and the market has made a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance. Now, we need actually to talk about something in Forex, my friends. This is actually the normal behavior of the market. When you have a broken level of a resistance trend line, so this is of course a resistance trend line, which actually has been broken out from. Now, here's the trick. What happens here? What happens is when the market actually make a strong bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, it will most likely gonna continue the rise till it reach the highest level of the nearest key resistance to that pattern. Which means if we look at this pattern right here, well, this is the resistance trend line. This is the bullish breakout from that level, and most likely the pound GPY will continue the rise till it reaches the highest level of the resistance right here at 183.500. So all of that together says that the pound GPY is gonna continue the rise. Now moving to the 4-hour time frame. Now what we are seeing right here on the 4-hour time frame is very interesting because now we are having here a structure that has been indeed broken out from. Now pay attention. Right here we had a very strong bearish candle, the red one, but it was actually eventually a fake breakout, and indeed the market kept rising again. So meaning the market actually has made just an attempt to go below that level of a resistance, and it has failed due to the pressure from the buyers to push the market to continue the rise. So most likely what we are looking for right now is the real level of the support, which lies exactly right here. Almost right here. I will confirm it later. But however, that means that we can wait for the pound GPY to fall to another 26 pips before we can start buying it. And if we look carefully also on the left, yeah, that is what actually I wanted to see. The nearest strong key resistance level, which has already become a strong key support level right here, and another key support level right here. Then the bearish breakout candle happened, and then we are having 1, 2, 3 attempts of a resistance. Now, this red candle in the middle can be ignored, and most likely right after the appearance of that bullish breakout candle, the green one, we can actually expect from the pound GPY to make a pullback, and now that level of a support will be most likely respected again. Combining that, of course, with the support trend line that we're having right here, check this out. Right here, this is interesting. Here, we're having also a support trend line which has been respected. It hasn't been respected as a resistance trend line at all. Immediately the market has made here another fake breakout from that level and went above that level. So meaning the next attempt of that support trend line will most likely also be respected. So all of that together tells us that buying the pound JPY from that level is going to be good, and we can keep the trade running till the market reach the highest level of a resistance right here at 183.591 for about, I would say, 160 pips. That's actually quite a lot. Let me just reduce the take profit level to be right here. I want to give you guys a realistic take profit level which actually can be achieved. Therefore, 116 pips of take profit level is going to be more convenient, and the stop loss will be right here also, right here only at the edge of that fake breakout, which means our stop loss will be approximately 58 pips against 118 pips of profit. Let me now write the signal for you. Now, of course, if in case guys you are wondering what to do if the market might actually continue the fall to reach our stop loss, which will be about 60 pips, fear nothing at all. If you just join the free group of Telegram, you will receive updates about this signal. I will inform everyone to close this signal immediately before it reaches the stop loss if I have noticed any price action going against our direction. If not, I will keep it running. So to stay closer to me and to receive the updates directly from me personally, make sure that you join the free group of Telegram, and the link can be found in the description below of this video or in the first comment, which is pinned already under this video as well. Join this group to be part of Xtreme Trader team, so you will not trade by yourself. You will trade with us, and we will tell you what to do and help you to achieve your target to the best. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.